Welcome to all. I am from AVB Phadke Vidyalaya, New Panvel. My name is Vidya Ruke. Our today's standard is 5th standard and subject is maths. Chapter number 1, Roman numerals. In Hindi, Marathi or English, we are writing numbers in some symbols. 1, 2, 3, some lines, okay. Same way, Roman numerals also have some another symbol. Now in this today's lecture, we will going to be see that how can we write down Roman numerals. Symbol used for writing Roman numerals. Symbol used as Roman numerals, capital I, capital V and capital X. Numerical value of the symbol, capital I means 1, capital V means number 5, capital X means number 10. These three symbols means capital I, capital V, capital X is very important in writing Roman numerals. Here there are some rules, 4 rules. So first rule is the number formed by writing the symbols I or X consecutively 2 or 3 times is the sum of the value of the individual symbols. That means if we write I and X, I means first I means what? Number 1. Add second I means what? Number again number 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If there is a 3 I, that means number 1 plus number 1 again plus number 1 is equal to 3. X, first X value is what? Number 10 plus second X value is what? Number 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. X, first X value is 10 plus second X value is 12. Again third X value is 10. 10 plus 10 plus 30. That means I means what? 2. I means what? 3. Double X means what? 20. Triple X means X is equal to 30. Rule number 2. The consecutive repetition of symbols I and X is allowed for a maximum of times 3 times in a number. However, the symbol V is never repeated. That means I and X is allowed for maximum repetition. How many times? Only 3 times. 4, 5 times repetition is not allowed in Roman numerals. For example, I want to write down 3. So, how many times capital I will be there? Only 3 times. 1 I, second I and third I. It is equal to 3. But if I want to write down 4, so that time I cannot use 4 capital I. It is not equal to 4. Means I is not equal to 4. If I want to write down 5, so it is also not equal to 5 capital I. Second, if I want to write down 30, that means X, okay. But if I want to write down 40, so it is not is equal to 4 times X. Because I and X repetition will be till only 3 times. How many times? Only 3 times. And remember that the symbol V is never repeated. In the Roman numeral, symbol V is never repeated. So the example third is V means capital V means what? 5. But double V, it is not equal to 5 plus 5, 10. Or double 3, double V, it is not equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 is not equal to 15. Why? Because the symbol V is never repeated. Only I and X will be repeated and it is only how many times? 3 times. Now rule number 3. When I or V is written on the right side of the symbol of a bigger number, add its value to the bigger number. Means I or V, which side? Right hand side, then we have to add it. For example, first example, V and I is equal to V means what? 5. And 1 means what? I means what? 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to what? 6. Second, X means what? 10. 1 I means what? 1. Another I means what? 1 means 2. 10 plus 2 is 15. Third example, XVI. X means what? 10. V means what? 5. And I means what? 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. That means VI means 6. XII means 12. XVI means 16. Rule number 4. When I is written on the left or V or X, subtract 1 from the value of V or X. Is opposite of rule 3. Here, if we write down a symbol of I, V or X is left hand side, then it will be minus. So here, for example, I and V. Here, which number is greater? V is greater. So 5 minus I means what? 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to what? 4. Then I and X. Here, greater number is what? X means 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to what? 9. That means IV means what? 4 and IX means what? 9. Note, first, there is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. In Hindi, Marathi, English, how we are writing 0? Oval shape. 0 we are writing just like a oval shape. But here in Roman numerals, there is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. Second note, to write any number from 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, it is first distributed into groups of 1, 5 and 10. Then any 4 of the above rules are applied to it. At first only I told you that 1, 5, 10. 1 means what? Capital I. 5 means what? V. And 10 means what? X. This 3 symbol is very important to write down Roman numerals. 1 to 10 numbers in Roman numerals. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 means what? Capital 1, a capital I. 2 means I. 3 means I. 4 means not I. Means 4 times I not there. 4 means what? IV. Then 5 means what? Only capital V. 6 means V plus I means VI. 7 means VII. 8 means VIII. And here 9 means not V and 4 times I. Then X and come back means IX. IX means what? 9 and 10 means what? Capital X. Here 11 to 20 numbers in Roman numerals. Here 11 means what? X and 1. 12 means what? X and 2I. 13 means what? X and 3 times I. 14 means V and XI means XIV. 15 means XV. 16 means XVI. 17 means XVII. 18 means XVIII. 19 means XIX. And 20 means XX. See here, if you know 1 to 10 numbers write down in Roman numerals, then it is easy to write down 11 to 20 numbers in Roman numerals. See here, first 11 to 20 we wrote X continuously, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, symbol of 1 to 10 numbers. Now something more. Here L, C, D and M are also used as Roman numerals. L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. Again I am repeated that L, C, D and M are also used as Roman numerals. L means 50 number, C means 100 number, D means 500 number and M means 1000 number. Now time to assignments. See, practice the writing of Roman numerals from 1 to 20. In this today's lesson what we learned that how to write down 1 to 20 numbers in Roman numerals. So practice the writing of Roman numbers are from 1 to 20. Now the second is question for you. Where do we see Roman numerals? Any 2 examples. You have to identify or you have to tell any 2 examples that where do we use these Roman numerals while writing. Thank you.